Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today's topic is about Chief Ministers of Haryana State. Mr. Manohar Lal Khattar is the 10th Chief Minister of Haryana. Just have a look what is Chief Minister's post and how it came in force. Some other chief ministers of Haryana other than Mr. Manohar Lal Khattar. Chief Minister by Article 164 of the Constitution of India. Remuneration of the Chief Minister as well as other ministers are to be decided by the respective state legislatures. The Chief Minister is appointed by the Governor on the basis that he is able to command a majority in the Assembly. अपॉइंटेड बाय गवर्नर, गवर्नर के द्वारा अपॉइंट किया जाता है, लेकिन गवर्नर भी उसे अपॉइंट करेगा जो असेंबली में मेजॉरिटी के साथ जीता होगा. ठीक है. मिनिमम एज फॉर चीफ मिनिस्टर्स पोस्ट नॉट लेस देन 25 years of age to be a member of legislative assembly. It means minimum is 25 years. Next, the chief ministers of India. The first chief ministers of Haryana. The first chief minister of Haryana is Bhagwat Dayal Sharma. Bhagwat Dayal Sharma biography. He was born in Beri, a town in the Jhajjar district of Haryana on 26th January 1918. Bhagwat Dayal Sharma belongs to which city? Beri in Jhajjar district. Bhagwat Dayal Sharma, popularly known as Pandit Ji, was the first chief minister of Indian state of Haryana and later governor of Odisha and Madhya Pradesh from 30th April 1980 to 14th May 1984. Bhagwat Dayal Sharma, commonly or popularly known as Pandit Ji, a chief minister who governs 3 states, Haryana, Odisha and Madhya Pradesh, is Bhagwat Dayal Sharma. Bhagwat Dayal Sharma became chief minister of Haryana on 1st November 1966 and then resigned to be replaced by Rao Birender Singh on 24th March 1967. Honors. Pandit Bhagwat Dayal Sharma, University of Health and Science, Rohtak was named after him. पंडित भगवत दयाल शर्मा पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मेडिकल साइंस. भैया इनके सम्मान में कुछ यूनिवर्सिटीज़ के नाम रखे गए हैं. पंडित भगवत दयाल शर्मा यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ हेल्थ एंड साइंस एंड पंडित भगवत दयाल शर्मा पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मेडिकल साइंस, PGI, रोहतक. Next, Rao Birender Singh, second chief minister of Haryana. After the formation of Haryana in 1966, Bhagwat Dayal Sharma became Haryana's first chief minister and Birender Singh was elected the first speaker of Haryana Assembly, which was a spin-off from Punjab Assembly. जब भगवत दयाल शर्मा चीफ मिनिस्टर थे तो उस टाइम पे ये हरियाणा असेंबली के स्पीकर थे. सबसे पहले स्पीकर, the first speaker of Haryana Assembly, Rao Birender Singh. The first ever poll to Haryana Vidhan Sabha was held in March 1967. Birender Singh was elected a member of Haryana Legislative Assembly from the Patodi Assembly constituency as Congress party candidate. However, he established the Vishal Haryana Party. Who established the Vishal Haryana Party? राव बीरेंद्र सिंह. इम्पोर्टेंट हैं ये पॉइंट्स जो भी मैं हाईलाइट कर रही हूँ. इमीडिएटली बाय डिफिक्टिंग फ्रॉम कांग्रेस with many MLAs, he was appointed Chief Minister of Haryana on 24th March 1967, replacing Bhagwat Dayal Sharma with his newly formed VHP, Vishal Haryana Party, assuming power. But the assembly was dissolved. Haryana placed under President's rule. First President rule. First President rule November 1967. Congress won the Vidhan Sabha election in 1968 and Bansi Lal became Chief Minister. Birinder Singh Vishal Haryana Party came creditable second to Congress in the election. Now, the third Chief Minister of Haryana, Bansi Lal. He was born on 26th August 1927 to Chaudhry Mohar Singh and Srimati Vidya Devi, belonging to Hindu Jat community in the village of Golagad in Bhiwani district. बंसी लाल काफ़ी फेमस चीफ मिनिस्टर रहे हैं ये हरियाणा स्टेट के। बहुत सारे काम इन्होंने अच्छे कराए थे, उनके लिए लोग आज भी याद करते हैं एज अ मोटिवेशन। तो इनसे रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन आ सकता है कि भाई ये कौन सी जगह से रिलेटेड है, कहाँ के नोटेबल पीपल हैं, पर्सन है ये रहे ये गोलागढ़ भिवानी डिस्ट्रिक्ट। बंसीलाल वॉज इलेक्टेड टू हरियाणा स्टेट असेंबली 7 टाइम्स। 7 बार इलेक्टेड हुए हैं ये हरियाणा स्टेट असेंबली में। द फर्स्ट टाइम इन 1967। ही सर्व्ड 3 सेपरेट टर्म्स एज चीफ मिनिस्टर। 3 बार मुख्यमंत्री रहे हरियाणा के बंसीलाल। 1968 to 75, 1985 to 1987 and 1996 to 1999, and Bansilal was elected to the state assembly 7 times. 7 टाइम इलेक्टेड हुए और 3 टाइम से चीफ मिनिस्टर रहे। ही वॉज द डिफेंस मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया फ्रॉम दिसंबर 1975 टू मार्च 1977। ही बिकेम रेलवे मिनिस्टर। अभी इनके पास बहुत सारी पोस्ट थी, जैसे डिफेंस मिनिस्टर भी रहे, रेलवे मिनिस्टर भी रहे, आगे और भी इनके बारे में आएगा। He was the Defence Minister of India from December 1975 to March 1977. He became Railway Minister on 31st December 1984 and later Minister for Transport. Defence Minister, Railway Minister and Transport Minister. He set up Haryana Vikas Party. Haryana Vikas Party after parting ways with the Indian National Congress in 1996. बंसीलाल ने अपनी खुद की पार्टी बनाई थी, हरियाणा विकास पार्टी। ही इज़ रिगार्डेड बाय मैनी एज आयरन मैन हु वॉज ऑलवेज क्लोज टू रियलिटी एंड टुक नी इंटरेस्ट इन द अपलिफ्टमेंट ऑफ कम्युनिटी। Bansilal is also known as the architect of modern Haryana. Who is known as the architect of modern Haryana? Bansilal. Who is known as Iron Man? Bansilal. In 1969, the Haryana Board of School Education HBSC board was established as Chandigarh. In 1981, HBSC was shifted to Bhiwani. वो भी बंसीलाल की वजह से ही हुआ था। In 2014, चौधरी बंसीलाल यूनिवर्सिटी was created in Bhiwani in his memory. चौधरी बंसीलाल क्रिकेट स्टेडियम इज़ इन लाहली, रोहतक। देखिए चौधरी बंसीलाल के बारे में काफ़ी बार क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है। अगर चीफ मिनिस्टर्स की बात हो और बंसीलाल की बात ना हो, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता। नेक्स्ट फिर इनके बाद आए चौधरी देवीलाल। चौधरी देवीलाल वॉज बॉर्न ऑन 25 September 1914। चौधरी देवीलाल वॉज बॉर्न इन तेजा खेड़ा विलेज ऑफ सिरसा डिस्ट्रिक्ट इन प्रेजेंट डे हरियाणा, बिलोंग्स टू सिरसा। His mother name was Shugna Devi and his father's name was Lekhram. In 1928, Devilal participated in demonstration by Lala Lajpat Rai. Chaudhry Devilal was served as 6th Deputy Prime Minister of India from 1989 to 1991 in the government of VP Singh and Chandrasekhar, and as popularly known as Tau. Tau Devilal सुना होगा आपने काफ़ी। So which chief minister is known as Tau? तो चौधरी देवीलाल। Which chief minister served as Deputy Prime Minister of India? चौधरी देवीलाल। Chaudhry Devilal emerged as farmer leader. Who is known as farmer leader? Chaudhry Devilal, and served as the chief minister of Haryana first in 1977 to 79 and then in 1987 to 89. He was also popularly known as some other names: Tau, Jannayak, किसानों का मसीहा एंड किंग मेकर. अभी इन्होंने क्या क्या ओपन करवाया है या इनके ओनर में क्या किया गया. चौधरी देवीलाल हर्बल नेचर पार्क यमुनानगर में है. चौधरी देवीलाल यूनिवर्सिटी सिरसा. चौधरी देवीलाल क्रिकेट स्टेडियम पंचकुला. ताऊ देवीलाल स्पोर्ट्स कॉम्प्लेक्स गुरुग्राम. नेक्स्ट, बनारसी दास गुप्ता. Banarsi Das Gupta was thrice elected to Haryana Legislative Assembly and served once as its speaker. He was a minister for several years and served once as deputy chief minister and twice as chief minister of Haryana. His terms as chief minister were from 1975 to 1977 as a member of Congress and for a few months in 1990 as member of Janata Dal. Next, Bhajan Lal. Bhajan Lal Bishnoi was born on 6 October 1930 in the Kotwali village of British India's Bhavalpur Princely State, which is now in Pakistan. Bhajan Lal was the Chief Minister of Haryana State. His first term began on 28 June 1979. He was re-elected on May 23, 1982, serving until July 1985. His third term ran from 23rd July 1991 to 11th May 1996. He also served as a Union Cabinet Minister at the centre, holding the agriculture and environments and forest portfolios. In 2007, Bhajan Lal officially announced he would form a new party called Haryana Janhit Congress. Who formed Haryana Janhit Congress Party? Chaudhry Bhajan Lal. Bhajan Lal, popularly known as राजनीति का चाणक्य, बिश्नोई समाज का सिरमौर. देखिए, राजनीति का चाणक्य नाम से किनको जाना जाता है? भजन लाल. नेक्स्ट, इनके बाद आए फिर ओम प्रकाश चौटाला. ओम प्रकाश चौटाला इज़ द सन ऑफ चौधरी देवीलाल. ही वॉज द चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ हरियाणा फ्रॉम 2 December 1989 to 2 May 1990, फ्रॉम July 1990 to 17 July 1990, again from 22nd March 1991 to 6th April 1991, and from 24 July 1999 to 5th March 2005. देखिए, सबसे ज़्यादा ये चीफ मिनिस्टर बने, लेकिन इनका जो टाइम पीरियड रहा वो बहुत ही शॉर्ट रहा. जैसे दिसंबर टू मई, देन जुलाई टू जुलाई, ये तो सिर्फ 5 दिन के लिए ही, एंड अगेन मार्च टू अप्रैल, एंड देन लास्ट इनका जो टाइम पीरियड रहा 24 जुलाई टू 5 मार्च 2005, 1999 टू 2005, ये थोड़ा टाइम पीरियड ज़्यादा रहा इनका. ओम प्रकाश चौटाला के बाद हुकुम सिंह. हुकुम सिंह फोगाट was an Indian politician and served as Chief Minister of the state of Haryana from 1990 to 1991. Before Chief Minister, he had been elected MLA from Charkhi Dadri 3 times. Next, Bhupendra Singh Hooda, born on 15th September 1947. Bhupendra Singh Hooda was born to Chaudhry Ranbir Singh Hooda and Har Devi Hooda at the Sanghai village in Rohtak district of Haryana. Belongs to which district? Rohtak district. Bhupendra Singh Hooda. His father Ranbir Singh Hooda was renowned freedom fighter. Bhupendra Singh Hooda, who born on 15 September 1947, is an Indian National Congress politician who is the current leader of the opposition in Haryana Legislative Assembly. Leader of opposition. He also served as the Chief Minister of Haryana from 2005 to 2014. Last but not least, Manohar Lal Khattar. Khattar was born in 1954 in Nindana village of Mehsham Tehsil in Rohtak district of East Punjab, now in Haryana. He was sworn in as Chief Minister of Haryana after BJP's win in 2014 Haryana Legislative Assembly election. He was sworn in a second time as Chief Minister on 27th October 2019 after making an alliance with Jan Nayak Janata Party. अलायंस गठबंधन के साथ सेकेंड टाइम ये चीफ मिनिस्टर बने जब, तो उस टाइम पे इन्होंने जनता पार्टी के साथ, जननायक जनता पार्टी के साथ अपनी अलायंस फॉर्म की, देन चीफ मिनिस्टर पोस्ट पे बैठे हैं। और इनके बारे में आपको पता ही होगा, अभी रिसेंटली ये चीफ मिनिस्टर्स है, तो जो भी इनके वर्क्स हैं वो सब हेडलाइंस में रहते हैं, तो थोड़ा सा वहाँ से आप कोशिश करें कि कुछ ना कुछ अपने फ़ायदे के लिए मिलता रहे, अपना स्टडी मटेरियल हमें मिले। ओके, थैंक यू।